All right, here we go. I have another layout of course, my niece again. She's sitting at the ball, and of course, I titled it Number One Fan because she attends all their games. She Basel cardstock, and then over top of that, I'm going to put they are cut from Great Papers All Heart BU. And I'm going to use those two Polaroid cards, Great Papers All Heart, called Selfie. And there she is, just watching them. Although they're not at the... I'm not sure. But I'm going to use chipboard stickers again from Great Papers All Heart, and then the die cuts that I use are Hip Kit Club's Chasing Rainbows. And then I'm going to use the puppy stickers because you see the Daydream sitting up there on the right, and that is American Crafts Dreamer Thickers. Alright, so I'm going to put my cards down. There's a clear sticker there. I can't quite read it. But the clear phrase stickers are Great Papers All Heart. It came in the, like in a book, has many sheets. So I'm going to go ahead and adhere everything down. I know, birdies, I gotta get you your food. I'll get them. Oh no, oh yeah, I hung it differently. See if the squirrels are gonna get it. I need to go do that for the birds. I'll get it out there for them. I put it in a plant that's behind my pond, and they still got it, and still got to it. I'm like, oh. So it's, so now I'm gonna look for what I can use for my title. And for number one, I'm going to use American Crafts Color Fresh stickers. And for fan, it's going to be American Crafts Chill stickers. And then once I put down my title, that is going to complete the layout. So when I have more done, I will be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.